Are you looking for the best remote control electric massagers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best remote control electric massagers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Snailax Shiatsu Foot Massager. The Snailax Foot Massager offers a luxurious foot massage experience that you can customize to your liking. With deep kneading, vibration, and air compression features, you can adjust the intensity across 3 levels for a personalized touch. The soothing heat function heats up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, providing comforting warmth that enhances relaxation. Plus, the user-friendly remote control allows you to operate the machine without bending down, making it especially convenient for seniors. This foot massager accommodates feet up to size 13, ensuring everyone in the family can enjoy its benefits after a long day. What we like: customizable massage intensity, soothing heat feature, remote control convenience, fits larger foot sizes. Number 2. LINGTENG Electric Foot Massager. The LINGTENG Foot Massager offers a delightful way to unwind after a long day. Weighing only 2.6 pounds, its portable design makes it easy to move and store. The wired handheld control lets you adjust the heat, direction, and intensity of your massage with ease. This massager is designed for both feet and calves, providing soothing relief where you need it most. With multiple settings, including kneading and heat modes, you can customize your experience to ensure maximum comfort every time you use it. The automatic shut-off feature after 15 minutes adds an extra layer of convenience for your safety. What we like: portable and lightweight, customizable massage settings, built-in safety shut-off, suitable for feet and calves. Number 3. Ugift Back Massager Pillow. The Ugift Massager Pillow offers a soothing experience with its advanced 3D Shiatsu technology that targets knots and pressure points, promoting deep relaxation. You can enhance your massage with optional heat, which helps improve blood circulation and eases muscle tension. The upgraded remote control allows you to effortlessly customize your massage settings, including intensity and direction, without needing to aim directly at the pillow. Its portable design makes it easy to use at home, in the office, or even while traveling, ensuring you can enjoy a relaxing massage wherever you are. What we like: 3D Shiatsu massage technology, heat for muscle relaxation, easy remote control operation, portable and versatile design. Number 4. Snailax Vibration Foot Massager with Heat. The Snailax Vibration Foot Massager with Heat offers full-body relaxation through high-frequency vibration and over 100 round grains that target deep nerves, joints, and acupuncture points in the feet to relieve pain and plantar fasciitis. The machine has 3 massage modes and levels of intensity, 2 optional heating levels, and a remote control for easy operation. It can be used on feet, calves, legs, or waist and is lightweight and easy to carry. Additionally, the flat design fits all foot sizes, and the washable cover makes it easy to clean and maintain. What we like: multiple settings for personalized massage. Can be used on feet, calves, legs, or waist. Fits all foot sizes and has a washable cover for easy maintenance. Number 5. Cloud Massage Shiatsu Foot Massager. The Cloud Massage Foot Massager is designed to provide soothing relief for tired feet. It makes a thoughtful gift for both women and men, helping them relax after a long day. With its deep kneading Shiatsu rollers and adjustable heat settings, you can target foot pain and improve circulation, making it ideal for those suffering from conditions like plantar fasciitis or neuropathy. Professionals and athletes will appreciate the muscle recovery benefits, as it reduces tension and enhances relaxation after intense workouts or demanding jobs. What we like: effective pain relief, adjustable heat settings, ideal for active lifestyles, thoughtful gift option.